Hey guys, we're going to be talking about this problem shown right here. This is going to be about tangent chord theorem and tangent radius theorem, setting up equation to find angle problem. This is a more type of complicated, advanced version of what we have gone through, but let's get through how to solve this. So the first thing to understand is a theorem of tangent chord. So that states that the angle inscribed in this tangent chord will be half of the intercepting arc. So this arc EM will be 2 times as great as 3x plus 4y. So understanding that is important. Next, you understand the center angle theorem, and where the center angle will always be congruent to the intercepting arc. So this arc will be 7x plus 6y. Knowing those 2 bits of information, we can set up equation. So we can do 7x plus 6y is equal to 2 times 3x plus 4y. The reason it's 2 times is because, remember, of that theorem, and this will be half of this arc. However, if you look at this, even if you solve this, you would be left with an x and y variable, which you can't solve for without another equation, which is a system of equations. And that is how you're going to solve this problem. So let's just simplify this out real quick. 7x plus 6y, x plus 6y equals 8y minus 6y, 2y equals x. Okay, that is your first equation. Next, let's look for our next equation we can use here. So we're actually given this as a triangle, which means that its angle measure has to equal 180. And we're given 2 of these sides, which means 180 minus both of these sides will give us this length. Knowing that, and also using the radius tangent theorem, and where a tangent which is hitting the radius will always be 90-degree angle. So using that formula, as well as the 180 minus these 2 angles, plus this angle right here, we have to get 90. And that's an equation we can set up easily. So let's see. So it's going to be this angle, 3x plus 4y, plus 180 minus these 2 angles, minus 7. Actually, hold on. Minus 65 minus parentheses because I have to set expression is equal to 90. Okay, and we can simplify this out. So this distributes 7x minus 6y is equal to 90. 65 minus 180 plus 3x plus 4y. It's gonna take a little time. I do then because it's stuff like this is really confusing to find these like terms. So I actually really enjoy to box them up in different shapes and forms. It's just really helpful for me. And if you're ever confused about that, you could always do it yourself. So 180 minus 65 is gonna be 115. Then see the box terms. It's going to be negative 4x. Okay, box terms, negative 2y. Okay, so it's going to be negative 4x plus 115 minus 2y. Yeah, and 90. Okay, now I can subtract this on that side. Get negative 25, negative 4x minus 2y. Subtract the negative from both sides to make this problem easier to deal with. So you get 4x plus 2y is equal to 25. And boom, you can already see we have two equations here that have the same variables. So we can use those two methods of getting rid of the one variable, which is elimination and substitution. Here we're going to use substitution as it's much easier since we're giving this the sole variable on one side of the equation. So we can just plug that into this equation easily. It's going to be 4 2y times 2y plus 2y equal to 25. So it's going to be 8y plus 2y is equal to 25. So 10y is equal to 25. 10y is equal to 2.5. Boom. So you got your answer for 2.5. To find x, you can simply put the 2.5 into one of these equations. So it's going to be x equal to 2 times 2.5, which is simply 5. That is your answer. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button. If you have any questions, put it in the comments down below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.